If you are currently recovering from a foot, ankle, or lower leg injury, stop struggling with painful, awkward crutches. Meet the BlessReach Steerable Knee Scooter, the recovery upgrade designed to give you your independence back. Unlike standard crutches that strain your underarms, wrists, and back, this steerable knee walker lets you glide smoothly across indoor and outdoor surfaces with total stability and comfort. It features an ergonomic contoured knee cushion, fully adjustable handlebars, smooth rolling wheels, and a reliable dual braking system for complete control and safety. Plus, it folds down in seconds, making it effortless to store or pop right into your car trunk. Do not let an injury slow your daily life down. Click the official Amazon link in the video description below to check current availability. Grab the best discount and start moving comfortably today.